So the Giles Community Garden was started about 6 years ago as an initiative to help feed the neighborhood. In the meantime, I started up distributing food through social services, the senior center, the Christian mission across the street, Giles Family Health and Wellness. And through those partnerships, I built more partnerships that have engaged the rest of the community. Currently, our main summer programs involved a lot of children until COVID-19. This year I've had volunteers step up and have about a dozen community adult volunteers that have been coming in 1 or 2 at a time to be able to help me do the bulk of the work. I've got a lot of effort in this, but then so does a lot of people in the community. And in that little 1,600 square feet, there's going to be a lot of food going to be able to be redistributed. It's a good project to engage the community. It's also where, in my mind, and as I have talked about it within my church settings, it's where I see God, because I see a sense of community there that's bringing people together for good reasons to be able to feed them good food. And I believe in good nutrition and exercise, and I can't think of a better way to be able to get that message across to people than through here. Over the last 4 or 5 summers, we've had kids in here, and working on childhood obesity has been one of those issues that we had worked on even before this current grant program that we're on, because the kids could come down, get some exercise, eat some fresh food. Some of the rules of the garden, if you pick it, you have to eat it. And this is not always something that small people like to do, but by the same token, if they planted it, tended it, and pick it, they know they got to eat it because they're in Mr. Charlie's garden. So. I think it's important, particularly in Giles County, because I don't think, even though there is a large amount of food, healthy food that's available, I think it's key that people start to realize where the food comes from, how much better it tastes fresh. I mean, I can recognize that our 2, 3 grocery stores do what they can to get fresh food in, but you eat a fresh pea or a fresh potato or a fresh tomato that you literally just picked off the vine, there's no comparison with what you wind up buying in the store. And the health and nutritional value, everything in here is totally organic. There aren't anything that's going to hurt anybody from any stretch of the imagination that's ever been used in this garden. And I believe that good healthy food and getting some exercise and getting outside and working in the soil and working in the dirt with your hands is a healthy body, state, mind, as well as good for your soul.